Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this cute little farmhouse Halloween wreath. So let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. What you need for this project is a small wreath. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. I love these wreaths. They look so real. It looks like it's cedar tree that it's made out of. I also had these little witches hats. I think they come in 6 in a pack from the Dollar Tree. So I picked those up. And you also need this garland. They have this also at the Dollar Tree, new to me, and it's 9 feet of garland. And then they also had in a pack of 3 these little witch brooms, which I thought were super cute, and some twine to make a little bow, and scissors, and I had this brown apple barrel paint. Okay, we're making a little bow. Don't forget to hit like, comment if you like this type of video. Okay, we're just setting a little hat up there. I'm going to let it hook inside of the garland, and I'm going to glue on my little bow to cover the hole. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, like I mentioned, glue on the little hat. And then if you're new here, welcome, and I appreciate all who keep coming back to watch my videos. This is Cheryl, and it's Around the House with Cheryl. I do things around my house to make it beautiful inside and out. So I hope you will take the time to comment and let me know if you like this video, and also to check out my playlist on some other easy Halloween and other DIYs that I do around my home. Most of the stuff I get from the Dollar Tree, or I already have it in my craft stash. So I'm just going to glue on this little broom. Just putting a little glue on the handle just to make it a little bit more secure. Okay, this is how it turned out. I think it came out cute, but keep watching because I did look at it and I thought, hey, I need to doctor this up, so I found some little ghost lights at the Dollar Tree, and so I added those to the final wreath, and I think it came out super cute. There it is. You can see the little ghost, and I added a bow just to make it look a little bit special. See the little ghost? Isn't that cute? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY and this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care and be safe.